Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vishwam Computers. In our today's session, we are going to discuss about a topic called two-dimensional array. See, in the previous video, we have discussed one-dimensional array in C language. Just follow this video. First, observe that video, then only you come to two-dimensional arrays. Okay. In one-dimensional array, we have stored the data in a single row, and we have seen that it is storing a similar kind of data element in a collection, I can say. Okay. So two-dimensional array is also similar to that. It will also store the similar kind of data elements, but it will store the data in the form of rows and columns, where you people can store the data in the matrix format or tabular format. Say suppose in this way 1 2 3 4. If we want to store the data in this particular format, then we people will go with the two-dimensional array. Simple. In the one-dimensional array, we have stored the element in the sequential memory by using the index numbers like 1 0 1 2 3 and so on. In the same way, we people will use the index number for storing the two-dimensional array also. For example, for the row, we people will give the 0 and 1, 0th row and 1th row, and 0th column, 1th column. Then in order to place this one, we people will use the index as 0, 0, 0th row, 0th column, and 0th row, 1st column, and 1st row, 0th column, and 1st column, 1st row. Okay, like this we people will use the index in order to store the data in the form of table. Okay, as we have suggested, we people will mention two size. For example, if it is a single array, how you people have given int a of size, but as we are suggesting that we people will be having the rows and columns, we people will mention the second one also, int a of size and size. This size is for row, this size is for column. Okay, we'll see the declaration, how the declaration will be. See this, the declaration is of this type. We people will mention the data type, we people will give the array name, and we people will give the first dimension and the second dimension size. Here this dimension is standing for row and this dimension is standing for column. It's very simple. So if say suppose if we are going for the example int a of 2 and 2. So here A is a matrix which is of having 2 rows and 2 columns. First row and 2 rows and 2 columns. It will be like this, sorry, 1 row, second row, 1 column, second column. Like this we people will be declaring two-dimensional arrays. And after declaring the two-dimensional array, you should think that we people are going to store the data in the matrix format or tabular format. When you people have designed in such a way that you people will be storing the data, you people will initialize the values in the same way. See, in this, initialization will be done along with your declaration, data type space array name, and the size 1 and size 2, that is dimension and dimension 2. In the dimension 1, you people will be having first row, second row. So first column, second column. Then this kind of information will be given along with the separate braces. For example, here you see in the example, integer data type we have given, array name is A, index 2 and index 2. Means to say that we are having 2 rows and 2 columns like this. First row, second row, first column, second column. And as you people have opened the brace, and within the brace you people have given the first rows information 1, 2. First rows information is 1 and 2. And as you have closed it, it will understand that the row is closed, and the second row will be opened with the brace 3 and 4 will be given for second row. If we are opening one more brace over here, and if you are writing 5 and 6, it will be taking one more row here, and 5 and 6 will be given. And later on, when you people are closing it, the open parenthesis, the open brace that you people have given first, that will be closed at the last, and you people will be giving with the semicolon. In this way, you people will be giving your declaration and initialization. As I already told you people, it will be represented as this. Okay, here I have given this table format. Okay, here we are storing 1, here we are storing 2, here we are storing 3, here we are storing 4. This first 1 and 2 braces that we people have kept, that is for first row, and the second brace that we people have kept is for second row, and this complete braces are closing here. The matrix is over there, but representation you see 0th row here and first row here, 0th column here, first column here. In order to represent the data, these indices are very important, because this is the 0th row and 0th column. this is the 0th row and first column, and this is the first row and 0th column, and this is first row and first column. By using this indices only, we people will access the element, we people will insert the element, we people will perform the operations onto your matrices. Try to understand this. If you didn't understood, just pause the video. Once again you listen it, just you will get it. Okay. In order to insert and display the videos, we people will use for loops, as we have discussed in the one-dimensional array. In order to insert first element, second element, third element, fourth element, we are doing the same operation. For that, we people will be using for loops over here. And as we have suggested, we people will be having two kind of information, that is row and column. We people will use two loops over here. So in order to understand this, I am taking a situation where we people will add two matrices. Try to understand how you people will be having the matrix and how you people will add them. Look at this. I'll write some matrices over here. Think that this is my first matrix where I'm having information like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a second matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to add these two. See beta, in the mathematics, what we people will do is, in the matrix, we people will add first row, first column information with the first row, first column information of second matrix. First matrix, first row, first column, second matrix, first row, first column. Those two will be added and the result will be 2. In the same way, first row, second columns information, first row, second column information of first and second one will be added, will be given as 4. And these two will be added, this will be given as 6. These two added, this will be given as 8. And this is what we are going to perform in our program by using the C language. Just see how we people will write the program, how we people will display the content. Let us see. Okay. See the content here. I am writing a program for adding two matrices. You people know already, stdio.h is used for accessing the input and output functions, and void main function that I have written. I have taken three arrays, three two-dimensional arrays. Okay. See, this is the matrix 1 that I will store. Here the matrix 2 I will store, and we people will add these two and we will store it in C. For that reason, I have taken C also. See, I will initialize these two in the first declaration line itself in the program. So A is equal to A of 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is declaration and initialization we have done now. In the same way, I will be giving for the first one and second one. We will add these two matrices. Here A will store 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is also having 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will also store 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will add these two matrices and we will get the C matrix over here. And we will print this C, okay, after performing the addition. Now let us try to print this particular matrices as we have declared and initialized. In order to print it, I am writing this code. Try to observe how a matrix will be printed on the screen. For I equal to 0, I less than 2. Yes, when it is 0, 0 less than 2, yes, it is true. Then I will get into this for loop. J equal to 0, 0 less than 2, yes, it is also true. I will enter into this loop. See, you people want me to print this percentile D, A of I and J. As I already told you people, A is storing what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And its indices are like this. 0, 0 position is carrying 1. 0, 1 position is carrying 2. 1, 0 position is carrying 3. 1, 1 position is carrying 4. Now you people are asking me, I is also 0. J is also 0. You want me to print A of I and J. A of 0, 0 position is carrying what? 1. 1 will be printed. After this, I will be incrementing the value of J, not I. First, we should complete this J loop. Then only we should go for I. Now, it is 0. If I am incrementing the value of J, that will become 1. 1 less than 2. Yes, it is true. When it is true, I will enter into the loop. I is still 0. J is 1. 0 and 1 position is having what? 2 in the A. Then 2 will be printed. See, after this percentile D, I have given a tab space. That is the reason this space is there. After 2 also, the space will be there. But see, again, I will increment the value of J. That will become 2. 2 less than 2? No, it is not true. Then you come out from these two lines and go for this print a new line. When you people are saying print new line, it will come to the next line. Now, after printing new line, you people will be incrementing the value of I. I will become 1 now, because till now it is 0. Now I plus plus means it will become 1. 1 less than 2, yes it is true. Now again you enter into this loop. I'll erase everything. Do remember, I value is 1, 1 less than 2, yes it is true. Now I am entering into this. J is equal to 0. Once again we are making J equal to 0. Now you are coming here. A is carrying this information 1, 2, 3, 4. Till now we have printed 1 and 2. Now see, when we are going for this 0 less than 2, yes it is true. Come down. I value is 1, J value is 0. In the 1 and 0's position we are having 3. Already we have entered into the new line till now. So in the new line I have printed 3. Now again increment the value of J. J will become 1. 1 less than 2, yes it is true. Now enter into this. I is also 1, J is also 1. In the 1 1 position we are having 4. 4 will be printed. Again I will be incrementing the value of J. J will become 2 here. 2 less than 2, no it is not true. Then you come out from these two lines. Go for a new line. We people will be at the new line. But after that you people will be incrementing the value of I. I will become 2 now. 2 less than 2, no it is not true. Then come out from it. This will be printed on the screen. These lines will not be printed, but the data will be printed as a matrix. I hope this is clear. Let's go with B matrix. We have printed A matrix now. Same code will be repeated for matrix B. There is no change. There I have used A, array A. Here I will be using array B. Same information will be printed at this particular code. After this, I am performing this addition. See, in A also we have stored 1, 2, 3, 4. And B also storing what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 1. This is 1, 0. This is 1, 1. Same for the second matrix also. Now try to execute this loop. For I equal to 0, 0 less than 2, yes it is true. Enter here. J equal to 0, 0 less than 2, yes it is true. Enter into this loop. C of 0, 0. I is also 0, J is also 0. At this position, think that this is C, where you are having this matrix 0, 0 position, 0, 1 position, 1, 0 position, 1, 1 position. Now in the 0, 0 position, you people are asking me to add these two numbers, A of 0, 0 and B of 0, 0. A of 0 is having 1 and B of 0 is 0, 0 is having 1. In the C of 0, 0, you people want to add these two numbers and you people want to store 2 over here. Okay, done. Now I'll erase this. See the C content. C is storing 2 now after first loop, and this is 0, 0 position. Now let's go for this 0, 1 position. Now see, I will be incrementing the value of J. J is 1, 1 less than 2, yes it is true. Now again I will enter C of 0, because I is still 0, 1, 0 now, and J is 1. Here also it is 0, here it is 1, here also it is 0, here it is 1. Now in the 0th 1 position, in A we are having 2, in B also we are having 2. 2 plus 2 will become 4. Those 4 will be stored in C of 0 and 1. In the same way, B people will increment the value of J again. It will become 2. 2 less than 2. No, it is not true. Then people will come out from this for loop. Now see, our C is having this 2, 4. At what positions? 0, 0 and 0, 1. Now let's go with this. I will be incrementing the value of I by 1. Now J is equal to 0. Yes, 0 less than 2. Yes, it is true. Now come here. I is 1 now. J is 0. Means this 1, 0th position. In this position, you want me to store I as 1 and J as 0. I as 1, J as 0. In A, in 1, 0 position, we are having 3. In B also, we are having 3. We people will add these two and people will store 6. And then later we people will increment the value of J. J will become 1. 1 less than 2. Yes, it is true. Now again come here. I is also 1. J is also 1. I is also 1. J is also 1. I is also 1. J is also 1. In 1, 1 position, in A we are having 4. In B also we are having 4. You people want me to add this 4 and 4, and you people want me to put in C of 1, 1. 1, 1 means in this position you want me to put this value. That will become 8. So final, you people will come out from this and you people will be incrementing the J. J will become 2, 2 less than 2. No. then again you people will come back, you people will be incrementing the I value, that will become 2, 2 less than 2. No, it is not true. Then you people will stop the addition. The finally answer in the C matrix is 2, 4, 6, 8. The resultant matrix will be printed with the same concept where we people have shown the C printing of A. Same code we people will implement for the C, so that it will be printing a matrix like 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's execute this program in the online compiler editor, so that you people will come to know whether we have discussed it correctly or not. Okay. Now look at here. I have written the same code that I have explained, but I have initialized the values over here for A as well as B. Okay. Now let's try to print this on the screen. If we are running it, how it will be printing the output, how it will project the matrices, and how it will be adding those matrices, and how it will be printed on the screen. Let's try to see this. Okay. Look at this. Here you people will be getting the output. See this. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Resultant sum is 2, 4, 6, 8, as we have discussed. I hope you people might have got this program. If you are having any doubts, just comment us, so that we people can clarify you through other videos, or else we people can suggest you something in the comments itself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, if it is useful for you people, like, share and subscribe the channel. If you people are new to the channel, try to subscribe the channel and make your friends to subscribe the channel also. Here we have used an online compiler. If you are having any doubt about this online compiler, how to open, how to use them, just put a comment over here, so that we people will suggest you. We people will go for one more video where you people can have this online compiler, how we people are using them, how you people can use it, that we people will tell you in the video. I hope you people like this video, and if you people are writing this much for two-dimensional array, you people will be getting good marks. All the best for your examination. Thank you for watching.